Okay, we're down here at the building site for the run-in shed. What I've got marked now is actually a 10 by 40, but we ordered a kit and it'll be 12 by 48. Taylor's smoothing out that topsoil that's piled. This is what Taylor has smoothed out so far here. A little bit more there to go, and then like I said, the other side we're just going to go on down that way, and this pile here we'll just go towards the trees and out that way with it. Just follow the natural slope. So he went to get some stone put in here to finish the prep site, because we're going to cover that with the stone and gravel mix. Okay, Tyler's hauled in this gravel and sand mixture, and we're paddling in the site for the shed. Make quick work of this. Plan, but the topsoil is above grade, or they filled in. We don't want to haul more topsoil in, so Wade is here and he's going to cut that topsoil down, because that was actually added from what we skimmed off of this area. So the first thing we have to do is move the boulders out of the way so we can push dirt this way. The rock pile is moved. About maybe 10 minutes, so we got that up over there. Now he's going to start peeling this down. Okay, he's getting this leveled down, taking some of this ridge off, but we still got to get right over there, that area there too. Down really nice here.